simple interest on 1000 rupees for 2 days at 6% per annum. We have to find simple interest. We have to find, yes, for 2 years, we have to find simple interest. So we have a formula, simple interest is equal to principal into time into rate by 100. Okay. So principal is the amount which we have taken as a loan. Okay. So here in this question, find the simple interest on 1000 rupees. So this 1000 rupees is the loan which is taken. So 1000 rupees is principal amount. Okay. So principal amount is 1000 rupees and time is 2 years. Okay. So principal amount is 1000 rupees. Time is, so you have to pay the amount and the time given to you is 2 years. So generally they won't give you the amount. They charge certain extra charge, that is extra amount you have to pay with this amount. So which will be expressed in terms of rate. So here the rate is 6%. Rate is 6%. So percentage is converted. So you know that 6% is equal to 6 by 100. So that is why we write it as PTR by 100. R percentage is written as R by 100. Okay. So we will substitute here. So in this case we are not writing the percentage. So no one should ask me that why percentage is not there, because we have converted it and here we have written it as 6 by 100. So principal, what is the amount? 1000 rupees. Time 2 years. Rate 6 divided by 100. Okay. So now these two zeros will get cancelled. You can do it numerator to the denominator. Two zeros will get cancelled. So the remaining part is 2 zeros. From the last you have to do it, not in the center. Last. Okay. So this is 10 into 2 into 6. 10 to the 6 to the. So the answer is 120 rupees. Multiply this. 10 to the 20. 26 the 120. So you have to pay simple interest of 120 rupees. Find the simple interest on 600 rupees for 146 days at 5% per annum. So here the question says that a person has taken a loan of 600 rupees. So he has to pay it back by 146 days. Okay, he has a time of 146 days and the rate is 5%. So what will be the extra amount he has to pay? That is simple interest. Okay, so as I told you, always time should be in terms of years, because rate is set in terms of year. This rate, what we call, which will be in years. For a 1 year, how much you have to pay, or per annum. Okay, so what you have to do? We have to find simple interest, but here the time is 146 days. We have to convert that to year. So how will you convert this? So let's write what is given here. Principal is 600 rupees. Time is 146 days. Rate is 5%. Okay. So now we have to, as I have told you, in time we have to write it in terms of years. So you know that for 1 year how many days? 365 days. So to convert this, we have to divide it by 365. Okay. So now we have to substitute this in the formula. SI is equal to PTR by 100. P is 600. What is the time given? 146 divided by 365. Rate is 5% divided by 100. So now we can put this in the denominator. In the numerator, if you have any term which is in the form of denominator, we can put it in the denominator as 600 into 146 into 5 divided by 100 into 365. Okay, this 146 divided by 365 can be written in this way. Okay? Now 2 zeros and 2 zeros in the numerator to denominator, this both will get cancelled. It is just like 100 ones are 100 six are. Okay, so we have cancelled 2 zeros. Now we can see that this 365 can be divided by 5. We have a 5 here. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 5 sevens are 35. Remainder is 1. 36 is greater. So 36 minus 35 is 1. This will become 15. So 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next 73 ones are 73. 2s are 146. 73 ones are 73. 2s are 146. You can check it out. So that is done. 2 zeros got cancelled. We have 6 here. So what do we remain? So the remaining thing is 6 into 2. So this is 12 rupees. Simple interest is 12 rupees. Find the simple interest on 5,000 rupees for 2.5 years. So this 2.5 years is a combination of month and a year. 2.5 year at 10% per annum. So here our principal amount is 5,000 rupees. Time is 2.5 years. Rate is 10%. Now you have to convert this 2.5 years in terms of year. 2 is already in terms of year. That 1 by 2 you can convert it into decimal or you can keep as it is. Why? Because 1 by 2 is also still it is converted it into year. They haven't said you like 2 years, 6 months. It is not given like this. So it is directly written as 2.5 year. So it is a mixed fraction 2 1 by 2. This is not 21 by 2. This is 2 1 by 2. Okay. So what you can do here is you can write as it is or convert it into improper fraction. Okay. So how will you write? Principal is equal to the given data is 5,000 rupees. Time is 2 1 by 2 or 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 5 by 2 here. Improper fraction 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2, which is already taught it to you in the fractions, right? What is the rate? 10%. Okay, now let's write this. Simple interest is equal to, what is principal amount? 5,000. What is the time given? 5 by 2. What is the rate? 10 by 100. So again in the numerator we have a denominator. So denominator can be written in the denominator. So this is 5,000 into 5 into 10 by 2 into 100. Okay. So again here we can cancel 2 zeros to this 2 zeros. Okay. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. So what is remained here? 50 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 25 5s are 25 5s are 25 5s are 125. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. We have one more zero. We can write it as 125 followed by 0. So your simple interest is 1250 rupees. So you can always observe that principal amount will always be greater. Simple interest will always be a small amount. Okay. You will never get simple interest greater than the principal. Sometimes I have seen people making a mistake. So you can guess this. Always simple interest value will be smaller compared to the principal in case if you have done any mistakes. Okay. So what is the question? Find the simple interest on 1200 rupees for 8 months at 9% per annum. Okay. So you have to find the simple interest. Amount or principal, sorry, the principal, it is not amount. Amount is different here, okay. So principal is 1200 rupees. Time given is 8 months. Rate is 9%. Okay. Let's write what it is given. 1200 rupees is the principal. Time is 8 months. We have to write always time in terms of year. So we have to convert it. For 1 year, yes. For 1 year, 12 months. So it is 8 by 12 years. 8 by 12 years. You can write it as YR for year. What is the rate? 9%. Okay, let's solve this. Simple interest is equal to principal is 1200 rupees. Time is 8 by 12. Rate is 9% divided by 1200. Okay. So in the numerator you have a denominator. You can shift it to denominator. 1200 into 8 into 9 divided by 100 into 12. Okay. Yeah. This 20 will get cancelled. 12 ones are 12 ones are. Okay. 12 ones are, and here in the numerator you have 12 ones are. So what is remaining? 8 into 9. So 9 8s are 72. 72 rupees is the simple interest. A man borrows 2000 rupees. So that is principal. So in the principal we have 2000 rupees. So he has taken it from his friend at 8% rate. Okay. 2000 rupees. Okay. Okay, we'll write it. Rate is 8% per annum. Time is 1 year. Yeah. Now what amount should he return to his friend? So amount means we have a separate formula, right? So what is the formula for amount? Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Simple interest is not given in your question. So we have to find the simple interest first. Principal amount is given, that is principal is given, that is 2000 rupees. Okay, you have to find the simple interest, then you have to apply this. So let's find the simple interest. Simple interest SI is equal to, what is the principal amount? That is 2000 rupees. 2000 into time is 1 year, so it is 1. Rate is 8%, so it is 8 divided by 100. These two zeros will get cancelled. Okay, so the remaining is 20 into 8. Since 8 ones are 8, we can write it as 8. So 8 twos are 16. So this is 160 rupees. Simple interest is 160 rupees. Now the principal. What is the principal? 2000 rupees. Plus simple interest is 160 rupees. Okay. So the total amount that should be written is yes, 2160 rupees. 15,000 rupees is deposited at simple interest. Okay. So it's 15,000 rupees. For example, you are deposited in a bank or somewhere else a 15,000 rupees in simple interest. So this is not simple interest, this is principal. 15,000 rupees is principal amount. If the amount after 8 years, if you want to take back the amount, the total amount you will get is 25,800 rupees. Okay, you gave 15,000 rupees, after 8 years you are getting 25,800 rupees. Then what rate you are getting it? What is the rate you have to find? Okay, so for the formula for the rate is SI, that is simple interest into 100 divided by P into, that is principal into time. We know principal is 15,000, time is 8 years. What is simple interest? Simple interest is not given. Instead they have given you the total amount you will get back. In the amount, amount and the principal, by using the amount formula you can find the simple interest. Okay, so let's write what is given. So principal amount is 15,000 rupees. What is time? Time is 8 years. Okay, and amount is given. Amount is 25,800 rupees. Okay, so now you can find simple interest from this formula. You know that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, right? So to find simple interest, you know the principal. Let's write down. Amount is 25,800. Principal is 15,000. You don't know what is SI. Okay. So this is 15,000. If you shift it towards the left hand side, plus 15,000 will become minus 15,000. So this is 25,800 minus 15,000. That will give you simple interest. Or you can write simple interest formula as simple interest is equal to, okay, let us write it here. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay. So after subtracting this, how much amount will you get? 25,800 minus 15,000. Okay. 12,000 or 10,000? Okay. So the simple interest is after subtracting 10,800 rupees. 10,800 is your simple interest. Now you can use this formula here. You got all the data, what you require to find the rate. Okay, so let's find the rate. What is simple interest? 10,800 into 100 divided by what is principal? 15,000. Time is 8 years. Okay, so we can cancel out 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here, remaining 1 zero here and here. Okay, so this is 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Here we have 108. 108 can be divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, so number will become 18. 3 6 are 18. Now 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Again you can divide 36 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 how many times? 4 nines are 36. So the rate is 9% per annum. Okay. In how many years? 700 rupees. 700 rupees is the principal. Okay. So principal amount or principal is 700 rupees. Rate is 7%. Rate is 7% per annum. 945 rupees is the amount. So what are they asking? They are asking that you are giving 700 rupees at a rate of 7%. You should get back 945 rupees. That is the amount. So the amount is 945 rupees. So how long will it take? What is the time required that you should get back 945 rupees? Okay. So for the formula for time is SI into 100 divided by principal into rate. Okay. So simple interest is not given. So again you have to find simple interest. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal, that is 945 minus 700. So what is 945 minus 700? 245 rupees. 245 rupees is simple interest. Okay. So the time, now we will find the time. What is the time required? What is SI? 245 rupees into 100 divided by principal is 700 rupees. Rate is 7%. Okay. You can cancel 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. So is 245 divisible by 7? No. Check. It is divisible by 7 ones are 7. 7 how many times? 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. So 24 minus 21 is 3. Remainder is 3. This number will become 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 ones are 7. 7 fives are 35. So what is the last number you got? Only 5. So time is equal to 5 years.